key. Chinese key is the same family of ginger and galangal, but they taste different. So I'm gonna do julienne slice. My mom chili paste, jungle curry paste, homemade. Frozen kaffir lime leaves. I got pea aubergine and green peppercorn, but I'm gonna add them too from frozen. My curry, make them fresh in the curry, so don't need to defrost them. This one Thai red and green chilies, add more spiciness on in jungle curry. Fire. So I'm making a pork belly Chinese 5-spice stew. Slow cook pork belly with 5 spice and soy sauce soup, shiitake mushrooms, egg, and of course pork belly. So make sure when we having jungle curry and we feel spicy, so we can cool down from the soup. Monkfish ปลาปีศาจมาเริ่มทำกันเลยนะจ๊ะแกงป่าปลาปีศาจทะเล I'm starting now first process of how to make jungle monkfish curry. Chinese keys. Monkfish. Tips: do not stir. Let the fish cook in curry. Now add aubergine. Kaffir lime leaf, chili, plus frozen peas aubergine. I haven't got holy basil. Okay, let's simmering. Okay, last week gonna add fish sauce. Ready to serve. Here. Get close.
เสร็จแล้วแกงป่าปลาปีศาจพริกแกงจากของแม่ประสิทธิ์ส่งตรงจากเมืองไทย หวังว่าทุกท่านคงชื่นชอบ ช่วยกดไลค์กดแชร์และเขียนคอมเมนต์ใต้วิดีโอ เพื่อเป็นกำลังใจให้ด้วยนะจ๊ะ Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos. Also, feel free to like, share, and leave the comment